Can you share the Wi-Fi password with me?
Sure, the password is 12345.
Did she share her notes from class?
Yes, she sent them to everyone in the group chat.
Who will you share the room with?
I'll be sharing the room with my friend Sarah.
Can you share your book with me?
Of course, you can borrow it after I'm done.
Have you shared your secret?
Yes, I told my best friend yesterday.
Will you share your toys with your brother?
Yes, we always share our toys.
Can you share your umbrella with me?
Yes, let's walk together.
Should we share the popcorn?
Sure, let's share it.
Why don't we share a ride to work tomorrow?
Great idea, let's carpool.
Have you shared the good news with your family?
Yes, I called them right after I found out.
Can we divide the pizza?
Absolutely, let's split it into equal slices.
Can we divide the candy equally?
Sure, we can each have the same number of pieces.
How do we divide the chores at home?
We each take turns with different chores.
How do we divide the tasks?
Let's split them based on our strengths.
Did you divide the money fairly?
Yes, we each got an equal share.
Should we divide the room into 2 parts?
Yes, let's split it to have our own spaces.
How do you want to divide the pizza? 4 or 8 slices?
Let's divide it into 8 slices.
Should we divide the cake into 6 pieces?
Yes, that way everyone can have a piece.
Can you help me divide the tasks?
Sure, let's go through them together.
Did they divide the prize money?
Yes, they split it evenly among the winners.
Are you okay if we split the bill?
Yes, that's fine with me.
Should we split the work or do it together?
Let's split the work to get it done faster.
Shall we split the cost of the tickets?
Yes, let's do that.
Do you want to split a ride to the airport?
Sure, that sounds good.
Who's going to split the rent this month?
I can cover my half this month.
How do you split your time?
I try to balance my time between work and family.
Can we split the sandwich?
Sure, we can each have half.
How do you split your allowance?
I save part of it and spend the rest.
Did they split the team into 2?
Yes, to make the competition fairer.
Should we split the leftovers?
Yes, we can each take half. Now you're ready to talk about sharing, dividing, and splitting in everyday situations. Practice these phrases and feel more confident speaking English. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English learning content.